back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we explore diverse and evolving approaches to homeownership. Today, we're focusing on the often underappreciated yet increasingly impressive realm of modern manufactured homes design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. These are not the manufactured homes of the past. Today's designs offer a compelling blend of affordability, stylish aesthetics, and efficient construction, challenging outdated perceptions and providing a viable pathway to modern living for many. This isn't just about cost-effective housing. It's about intelligently designed and well-built homes that cater to contemporary tastes and lifestyles. What is the meaning of modern manufactured homes design? Modern manufactured homes design refers to the architectural and interior design of residential structures built entirely in a controlled factory environment to Federal Manufactured Home Construction and Safety Standards (HUD) code, emphasizing contemporary design principles, high-quality materials, and efficient use of space. These homes often feature open floor plans, stylish finishes, and a departure from the traditionally boxy appearance of older manufactured homes. The modern aspect signifies the incorporation of contemporary architectural aesthetics, innovative layouts, and up-to-date amenities, while manufactured homes clearly identifies the construction method. It's about achieving stylish and functional modern living through the controlled and efficient process of factory-built housing. What are the benefits of choosing modern manufactured homes design? Opting for modern manufactured homes design offers a significant number of compelling advantages, particularly for those seeking an affordable and efficient route to homeownership. Firstly, due to the streamlined factory production process and bulk purchasing of materials, manufactured homes often offer a significantly lower cost per square foot compared to traditional site-built homes. Secondly, the controlled factory environment ensures consistent quality control and protection from weather during construction, minimizing delays and potential issues. Modern manufacturing techniques allow for faster build times, leading to quicker occupancy. Today's designs offer a wide range of architectural styles and customizable floor plans to suit individual needs and preferences. Furthermore, modern manufactured homes can be built to high energy efficiency standards, reducing utility costs. The construction process can also be less disruptive to the land compared to traditional building. Finally, the stigma associated with manufactured homes is rapidly diminishing as the quality, design, and features of these homes have dramatically improved. How to design your modern manufactured homes design? Designing your modern manufactured home involves a collaborative process with the manufacturer's design team, offering a range of customizable floor plans and options. Begin by clearly defining your spatial needs, desired layout, and aesthetic preferences. Consider factors like the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, the size and configuration of living areas, and any specific accessibility requirements. Explore the various floor plans offered by manufacturers and work with their designers to modify them to suit your lifestyle. Pay attention to window placement and size to maximize natural light and views. Choose interior finishes, flooring, cabinetry, and fixtures that align with your modern aesthetic. Consider options for vaulted ceilings or other architectural details that enhance the sense of space. Plan for efficient use of space and consider built-in storage solutions. Review material samples and 3D renderings to visualize your customized home before production begins. How to build modern manufactured homes designed with luxury facade? Achieving a luxurious facade for a modern manufactured home involves careful selection of exterior materials and strategic site integration to elevate its aesthetic appeal beyond traditional perceptions. While the core structure is built in a factory, the exterior can be significantly enhanced on-site. Consider options for high-quality siding materials such as fiber cement, engineered wood, or even thin brick or stone veneer applied after the home is set. Design a welcoming and substantial entryway with upgraded doors and architectural details. Enhance the roofline with features like dormer windows, varied pitches, or premium roofing materials. Pay attention to window and trim details, opting for larger windows with stylish frames. Invest in professional landscaping that complements the modern aesthetic and creates a sense of permanence. Consider adding features like a covered porch, patio, or hardscaping elements. The key is to focus on high-quality exterior finishes and thoughtful site integration to create a sophisticated and visually appealing home that defies traditional manufactured home aesthetics. Ten Best Modern Manufactured Homes Design Ideas. 1. The Open Concept Ranch with Modern Finishes features a spacious, open floor plan with clean lines, large windows, and contemporary interior finishes. 2. The Two-Story Manufactured Home offers the space and zoning of a traditional two-story home with the efficiency of factory construction. 3. The Modern Farmhouse blends the charm of farmhouse aesthetics with the efficiency of a smaller manufactured home footprint and modern design elements. 4. The Coastal-Style Manufactured Retreat incorporates light and airy colors, durable materials, and design features that evoke a relaxed coastal vibe. 5. The Energy-Efficient Modern Box prioritizes sustainability with features like solar panels, high insulation, and energy-efficient windows within a clean, modern architectural form. 6. The Multi-Sectional with Vaulted Ceilings utilizes multiple sections to create a larger home with the added spaciousness of vaulted ceilings and open living areas. 7. The Modern Craftsman Manufactured Home showcases detailed trim work, natural materials, and a warm, inviting aesthetic reminiscent of the craftsman style. 8. The Industrial Chic Manufactured Loft features exposed structural elements, metal accents, and an open layout inspired by urban loft living. 9. The Accessible and Universal Design Home prioritizes features that make the home accessible to people of all ages and abilities, without sacrificing modern style. 10. The Custom Design Modern Manufactured Home works closely with manufacturers to create a unique floor plan and design that meets specific needs and aesthetic preferences, pushing the boundaries of traditional manufactured home design. When designing a modern manufactured home, it's crucial to consider the transportation and site preparation requirements. While manufacturers offer many customizable options, understanding the limitations of modular construction is important. Pay close attention to the selection of interior finishes and fixtures to achieve your desired modern aesthetic. Consider the long-term durability and maintenance of the materials you choose. Proper insulation and ventilation are essential for comfort and energy efficiency. Work closely with the manufacturer and any on-site contractors to ensure seamless integration of utilities and a well-finished home. Finally, remember that landscaping and site design play a significant role in the overall look and feel of your modern manufactured home. Modern Manufactured Homes Design offers a compelling and increasingly stylish pathway to affordable homeownership. At Home Inspiration Studios, we are dedicated to showcasing innovative and accessible housing solutions. By embracing the advancements in manufactured home construction and design, you can achieve a beautiful, functional, and modern home that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and inspiration on the latest trends in home design. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern manufactured prefab house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.